Hi, I'm Nikita and this is my JavaScript speed test project, IMDB clone. So this is how the project look like. This is the navigation bar. Over here we have the icon and the movie and the application name. Over here we have an input tag and search button. In this window the result will appear whatever we search in the input bar. And then we have this favorite list column where the list will appear for the movies which we have marked as our favorite. Let's try to search. So this is the results how we get, and when we click on this heart icon it will get added to the favorite list. As you can see it has been added. Uh, this one has also been added and this one has also been added. So this is how it works. And one more functionality which were supposed to add was when we click on a particular movie it will show us the information of that movie. So let me show you this one. So this is how it appears. There was a little animation that was also added. In this we can see the movie name, we can see poster, we can see plot and other information. So this is the same. This is navigation bar, and over here we have added the go button. So we can go back to the same page. Okay, let's now go through the code once. So this is how it looks. We have two HTML files and we have then JavaScript file, CSS for styling, and some images which we have added. And in this HTML we have this search bar which I just showed you. Over here, this is the navigation bar on the home page. It has a logo, it has name of the app, and then we have the search bar where we have input and button for searching a particular movie. Then we have the main section. In that the movies appear whenever we search a particular movie, and in the favorite section the movies which we mark as our favorite appears there. It gets stored in the local storage, so even when we refresh the page it will still appear. Let me show you. So now we have these three movies in our local storage. Even if we refresh this page, this should remain as it is. So I refreshed it again, and it is as it is. So we have written the code for local storage. The movies are getting stored there. After that, this is the movie to HTML. Whenever we click on a particular movie, it takes us to the movie page, and that is over here. So that movie page also had a navigation bar. Over there we have the logo and the name of the application and a go back button. I just showed you that. And we have main container where we have movie information. So movie name and other information was displayed over there. Now let's go through the JavaScript file once. So this is the JavaScript file. Over here the logic is written. Like whenever we uh, press any key in the search bar, then this event is evoked because it has added event listener. Whenever we press key down, so this event gets evoked. And then we have other functions, show empty text. So this is when we have not searched anything, this text appear up. But if we search anything, even one movie, so that text has gone. So that is for this purpose, show empty text. So if it says if the search bar contains empty string, then we show it as block, otherwise we hide it by saying that it should be turned to none now. Then we have added event listener on search keyboard in a similar way, that whenever we press some key, the that one gets evoked. So this function gets evoked over here. So what it does is it's check if the search is an empty bar, empty string, then it will just show the empty text which I just showed you over here also, and otherwise it will mark it as none, and it will start fetching the movies from the API according to the search results. Okay, and then we display it as grid. After this is the fetch function, which fetches the movie from this particular OMDB API, and we get the result, and that gets displayed. Then we have add to suggest suggestion container. So this actually adds our movie to the DOM. So this is the a movie card. This is the HTML. So this adds the movie on the front end to the DOM. And then we have add movie to DOM. So this was doing this thing. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then we have delete movies. Whenever we press this icon, trash icon over here, this one gets evoked. Delete movies icon, delete movie function. So it just gets the local storage and data, and it filter out the current movie name, and then it sets it again. So this is how it's work. These are all the event listeners. So whenever we check that according to the classes added in the targets, so if it's add favorite, if add favorite is present in a particular target, then we this function gets evoked, handle favorite button, and if there is trash can like remove button, then this function get evoked, delete movie. So this is how it works. Now moving on to the movie info. This is getting the movie from this particular API. It is fetching again, and we get this particular search movie from the local storage only. We have stored this in local storage, so that's where from we are getting this. And then we have styling for both the files, and they are separately written. So that's how I made it. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.